Crystal, how do you pronounce Bahia Honda?
It's Bahia Honda.
Yep, it says so right there. What does it mean? Deep bay in Spanish. Bahia Honda. But you're supposed to pronounce it Bahia Honda. Cool. Well, let's go. We're going up here to the top of the trail.
Bahia Honda.
Bahia Honda. It's very windy up here. You can't bring your bike up here. It's kind of a long way to the top. It's a dang nice view though.
Try to get to the factory here.
Dang nice view. Oh look, they made a bench just for me in the shade with a view. Is there any more pronunciation? Okay, I'm continuing on. Out to sea in an automobile. Okay, we're heading up. What? That's right. So they used to drive cars up here because that bridge didn't exist.
And they would have to take the ferry until that got built.
One nice thing about up here, there's a good breeze today. Ain't no shade though, but that's okay. Okay, there could be some pronunciation. Yep. Totally sensitive area. Do not trim the knicker bean. Yes, it's very hot up here. Be fun to bring your drone up here. Nope. I wonder if we can see our camper. I bet we can't. We walked over from the campground, which is over there, to the right of the end of the bridge. Okay, I gotta keep it going. boats over here. Not too much yet. One guy fishing, two guys fishing. That's where we just were. Looking at butterflies. That island used to have a tree on it. Now it's got a stub. I think Ian wiped it out. An exhilarating ride. I bet it was. 1938. This was the highest point in the Keys. 7-mile bridge is now. Yep.
The train ran underneath, the cars run on the
Our house is way over there, about 20 miles. I think I'll come up here on the boat one of these days. Oh, does he have a fish? No. He has a weed. And he caught a nice weed. See it there? The current's pulling it. I don't know if he knows it's a weed or not. Okay, I gotta look over here. What? Yeah, still can't see our camper.